8 simple foods that may help support healthy blood nitrogen levels. Blood nitrogen levels are influenced by many everyday factors, including hydration, food choices, activity levels, and overall lifestyle habits. While no single food controls blood nitrogen on its own, consistent nutrition patterns can play a supportive role over time. In this video, we'll explore 8 simple, commonly available foods that are often included in balanced eating patterns focused on supporting healthy blood chemistry. These are not special or extreme foods, just everyday options that can fit easily into regular meals. Blood nitrogen is a natural byproduct created when the body breaks down protein from the foods we eat. This process is a normal part of metabolism and happens every day. Hydration levels, dietary balance, and overall lifestyle habits can all influence how efficiently the body manages these byproducts. Rather than focusing on numbers alone, many experts emphasize supporting the body's natural systems through balanced nutrition and daily habits. Cucumbers are made up mostly of water, which makes them naturally hydrating. Adequate hydration supports the body's normal filtering and elimination processes. While cucumbers alone don't change blood nitrogen levels, they can complement an overall hydration-focused eating pattern. They're also low in calories and easy to pair with meals or snacks. Cucumbers are easy to include in meals, snacks, or infused water. Simple additions like this often work best long-term. Leafy greens are low in calories and rich in fiber. Fiber supports digestion and overall metabolic efficiency, which may help the body manage metabolic byproducts more effectively. With leafy greens, consistency often matters more than large portions. Including small amounts regularly can be more sustainable than eating large servings occasionally. Daily habits tend to support long-term balance better than short-term changes. Oats are a whole food that supports metabolic health by providing slow-digesting, complex carbohydrates. This helps deliver steady energy and reduces rapid blood sugar spikes, making oats a reliable daily fuel source. They're rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which supports digestion and helps regulate cholesterol and blood sugar levels. These benefits contribute to long-term cardiovascular and metabolic health. Oats also contain key nutrients like magnesium, iron, and zinc, which support energy production and overall cellular function. Because they promote fullness, oats can help regulate appetite and encourage balanced energy intake. Whether enjoyed as oatmeal or overnight oats, this versatile food supports healthy blood markers and overall wellness when included regularly in a balanced diet. Low-fat dairy options like milk and yogurt can be an easy way to add high-quality protein to everyday meals without taking in large amounts of saturated fat. These foods naturally contain nutrients such as calcium and vitamin D, which play a role in bone health and overall function. Including protein throughout the day, rather than all at once, may help support balanced energy levels and metabolism. Yogurt bowls, smoothies, or a simple glass of milk can fit into meals or snacks with very little effort. Low-fat dairy is often chosen not to limit food choices, but to support overall dietary balance, variety, and long-term consistency in a healthy eating pattern. Berries are rich in fiber and antioxidants, making them a simple addition to a balanced eating pattern. The fiber found in berries helps support healthy digestion and may contribute to steady energy levels throughout the day. Antioxidants play a role in protecting cells from oxidative stress, including cells involved in metabolic processes. Because berries are naturally flavorful, they can add sweetness without relying on added sugars. Whether added to smoothie bowls, yogurt, or enjoyed on their own, berries offer both nutritional value and versatility, making them an easy and enjoyable choice for everyday meals and snacks. Tofu is a versatile, plant-based protein that fits easily into a balanced diet. It provides a complete source of protein while being naturally low in saturated fat. Because tofu absorbs flavors so well, It works in everything from quick stir-fries to simple meal prep bowls. Including plant proteins like tofu alongside other protein sources can help support metabolic balance and overall nutrition. Whether you're reducing meat intake or just adding more variety to your meals, tofu offers a flexible and nutrient-dense option that supports balanced eating. Olive oil is a cornerstone of Mediterranean-style eating and a simple way to add quality fat to everyday meals. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are commonly associated with better heart health and improved metabolic balance. Unlike heavily processed seed oils, olive oil is minimally refined and retains natural compounds that support overall dietary quality. Diets that emphasize whole, traditional fats, like olive oil, over ultra-processed alternatives are often linked to healthier long-term patterns. Whether drizzled over vegetables, used in cooking, or added to meals for flavor, olive oil offers both nutritional value and culinary versatility. Water-rich soups are a simple, nourishing way to combine hydration with whole food nutrition. Built on light broths and vegetables, these soups deliver fluids while also providing fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Because of their high water content, they can help you feel satisfied without being heavy or calorie-dense. Vegetable-focused soups are easy to digest and work well as a starter or a main meal, especially when paired with protein or whole grains. Whether it's a clear broth or a hearty vegetable blend, water-rich soups support hydration while making healthy eating both comforting and enjoyable. Food is just one part of overall metabolic wellness. Hydration, movement, sleep, and stress management all play important roles. Drinking enough fluids supports the body's natural filtering processes. Water needs vary from person to person, but regular intake throughout the day is often encouraged. Balanced protein intake means avoiding extremes. Moderate portions spread across meals are commonly recommended in general nutrition guidance. This approach supports steady metabolism rather than overload. Sustainable habits tend to last longer than rigid plans. When food choices feel realistic, they're easier to maintain over time. Consistency often matters more than perfection. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to Vitality Reconstruct. Here, we focus on simple, realistic nutrition ideas designed to support long-term wellness without hype or extremes.